So, Wight Potter fans, this is the Companionway hatch for Masasa, and you will see in a minute that I have duct tape which I put over a hole there. You can see it there. That was created as a result of the previous owner's installation of a solar fan, and that's the hole that the previous owner or owners cut out of the Companionway hatch, and not a good job. So I have to repair it because the solar fan no longer worked. It was cracked, it was breaking apart literally, and it looked awful, and it added weight to the Companionway hatch. So I bought a non-opening smoked gray port window from Defender Marine, and it indicated that I needed a 8-inch opening, and by golly, I do believe that this is going to work tremendously. But I will get to work. I have to make the hole bigger and see how we go. So, Wight Potter fans, stay tuned.